Hey garden friends, it's April. It's pouring out here today, so I'm gonna thought I would jump on here and go check out the greenhouse and see how it's holding up for its first rain. Okay? Okay, let's go check it out. Be right back. I'm gonna make a run for it. Okay. So let's see. Looks like everything looks nice and dry. See some leaves up there. Let's see. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. As you can see, I got a little heater and a couple little gadgets in here. But I actually am going to work on next video experimenting with a little bit of passive heating, see how that goes. I'm new to this, so I'll do like the compost heating and some water bottles, and I'll get into that next time.